Hello, this is Shane from Snap Supply, and I'm here to show you how to use the welcome code for 10% off your first order. Once you arrive at snapsupply.parts, you're in the right place. First, let's sign in. All right, once you're signed in order to use the welcome code, you need to add at least $50 worth of products to your cart. So let's do that. I'm going to add 5 of these igniters to my cart by pressing Add to Cart. Now I'm at my cart. As you can see, there's a window here where you can input the discount code. In our case, we want to use the code WELCOME. So you type in the code and apply it. You should see that it has been accepted. You won't see your discount here, but you'll see it once you go to checkout. If you need more information on how to check out, we have another video available for you to see. That's all for today. Thanks so much. Bye.